Hwekusie we. We ede na wo ka we hu agane ni na adwene ye adwuma. Abrantia baba wa o pesa wo ka bibi chene convince ne se o metuma NPP. De na bema obi asori obehu se waji. Hwekusie we.
Timi di me matem se mi ti se kusie. Mimi ti se kusie. Tabi tell me to me hwe no me ka kire.
They say na me no se akaetie. They say we dey free akaetie ba kusie
afọ. I 4 times into akaetie no ho na kusie no so asa be ka o.
Boy ando enim. Asa waka bisim. Omwejimi.
The ori any na say 11.3. Mama mun say mano 11.3. And no any Paul a percentage on that. Paul and 11.3%. 38% no go no. Paul bet no reduce no come back na sama. Is it Paul back what yato? Aka Paul back bi oba ejuso. Me an man campaign manager o ejuso ma no. Paul back da for maka Paul back. Oba ejuso. Me an me campaign manager o ejuso ma no.
All these things. Share the eba no. And then ekoso e wa santimemu. Me hu something funny in the Ashanti region. And I didn't air funny in the say. And the Ashanti region, Okoha, Omo Perizin be at the discredit the Ashanti regional minister. Oma Bibia in fact. Let me tell you. We are share any if you say we there this year, we on ya awunini, the Mokokas awunini abwa. We on your tenny. Mokokas we the tenny with your better santima isui, or more tune for we the Otiamamrena say, and a manana money in ye. Ashanti regional minister, on one ebuamo. Oya santini ba intesi ano ayɛ dia mamu mi anka se me steady mo edumre bi a bo panas makamu hu esi amoso oye den oye Facebook or so oye TikTok mo nhye nya asem bi anka wo n'adwuma ho on is there ti John Muhammad manu edura mamo on say abrante ni bo adwuma ama emu nkora ne mpenifo nyina hu de omo nka sesi ana ache se atoma atase ne nkwase akeka mumu bi ti asantime mu hu de omo nye efi se udi na tema udi asantema atem udi na tema udi otumfo atem oya santini de hia obi ntumi ngina bebi nka se we de ahunani aboa we de mfantini aboa we de kouni aboa we de teni aboa we oya santini mapa in the Ashanti regional minister no wo miamo but there den nyina wo mu se o miamo no obo adwuma ai wa ye duro odi egu dansemu e na odi bomoto I say Ashanti regional minister no or the sebiu or the nyansa egu de bontium and our NPP na do miegu to pa o miegu omoto pa o miegu omoto pa omo muntumi nsu omo muntumi dinatem udinatem pe udinatem John a hard guy for Kyei and abrante ni bo adwuma omo bo adwuma nti esi ado mo hu de omo nye no into omo sorry I say wakoye wey omo ni evidence Jimmy the Ashanti regional minister will dominate and he will change the Ashanti region. Under his leadership, a new theater will be built. A new national theater will be built in the Ashanti region. That is what we are calling leadership. And then your friend, leadership. It will be built. And because Oya Santinia ope at the Abakotokono, on say, a whole, it is sometime, I say AS3. They don't really have any intelligent person to talk for them again. Wait.
It is a say, I want you to go and make eti German president iba enkuko birine tene enkuko ebe suatete nipa owe eti aye yesu ura residents who are regional minister te enkuko na ena wamu eye ewo regional minister atoye eti sani ye di minister oti ase Sani di minister. Na nkukwo ya mudu o mabai. Oyeba obie no ho a ye training no won nkukwo ho. And kamodi policy eba no. There should be a form of training and orientation as to how to handle nkukwo. Nkukwo school 3 weeks, 5 weeks. Ni esua nkukwo ho ne amasa. Na ekọ ne eba. We di obie no ho ni makukwo ho he. Eti akukwo ne esu yi. Menti ase. Wo ye kwakwa. Menti ase. Eti ebe de no matima handle akukwo yi. Oti ase. Na abani say na mu
problem wo NPP mu problem ankasa wo NPP mu a che say NPP for ankasa na I think say they know na dia ya ne say we jimi na ye nyina ye jimi ne ehu de obetu ye nyina afo say ye jimi ene problem no that is the biggest problem in the NPP say ye nyina ye jimi ne enim say ye jimi ne ebere ne ehu obi onim nyansa betu afo say ye jimi inti I so mu nyina jimi. This is a whole regional communications director. Look at us. Then odi akwa we adwene ebe compare Ashanti regional minister. Hwekusie we. Enti we ede na wo ka we hu a Ghana ni na adwene ye adwuma. Abrantia baba wa or pesa wo ka bibi chene convince ne se ometuma NPP. De na bema obi asori, obehu se wagimi. Obehu se madwene wo fom. Hwe se edi matema enye se time mu. Aya ne ye kam nyansasam. The fooling is getting out. Akwa we almost sorry we dey no esiro. Se say why full blown Jimmy. Paul Yandoh say Paul, your friend saying Paul Yandoh. They said why full blown Jimmy. Alternative is because you see, I'm a cartoon team. O the one serio, o the osa baby, o the way Jimmy o intervention team and de into onya position be not to turn Jimmy. A dear way a whole political party. Asuma kusie se kwatena radio so kan ya asem magana asante mine. Na we e wi adketekete na otumfo ebie radio se mamintie abebie we. Na mintie kusia na apofi we say ebia me nananom ebi mesua nyansen free de ma omko opposition na otumfo ko bie ni radio na ni TV a ne nana muntwer panyini ane tuofu dwene abetena TV so hwese ne de oye de na party ya kono enti ade se mu nyina agimi eno mu nhye da hu obi a onim nyanso beka se agimi enti mu obi ntuafo mfiri gimi nim enti de bia no mu ku gimi nim. Listen, ya start enya enkuko wo fie efie ben na wakoto se teacher ni tima or chance de enyan enkuko 10 5 7 8 efie ben mu just say I just say a natural. And you see sa brand here we or study say oh Jimmy no na adwin say a temporal na adwin say ebia a temporal fooling na adwin say a temporal comedy na adwin say we de ebia Osei and edru na or the Friday ebia champion fiefre muti na ebia enra de no Jimmy. It looks like it is becoming a habit. It becoming consistently. He's becoming a foolish I just say Jimmy autocratic Jimmy. I just say foolishly autocratic. Inti se Ghana ni biti wana ni sika sheye and de kufuado. Ne juma seye and de kufuado. Bogabi na sebio ne juma bi o Ghana ena ni sika nyina sheye. Obi DDEP eche na ne papa pension sika ye ji ya ne papa wuye. Obi a na oye nurse ni a 2017-18 owie nursing training college. Otena fia to 2024 sele onye adwuma nye. Obi o eti na ade we na wo kama nipa na de tumi amawo. Ye Jimmy. Yaya to say 5 Jotase. Ye Jimmy. Yaya say Jotase. Yaya say peace. NPP for. Ye Jimmy yaya to say peace. Now what's a whole communication direct. Now I'm sure what's name.
It is a say ya wajin kuko Amoakohene. It is German president Iba and kuko brine. Send and kuko ebe swatete nipa away. It ya. Yes, who residents who are regional minister and kuko na. And that woman a regional minister at Toye. And just Sanya, yeah, the minister. What you say? Sanya, the minister. Now, Kukoya Mudu my bay. Oyeba, or being wow, yet training one Koko. And commodity policy airbano. There should be a form of training and orientation as to how to handle and Koko can Koko school 3 weeks, 5 years.
There's a problem with the NPP. And National Ashanti regional minister odi omo ho agro because ohun say omo level of intelligence ne wo form. So sorry na oti omo radio so Kumasi a aya na eye ne sere. And that young guy, he understands. So Asante ni onyini wa Asante memu, onim Asante fo mo Jimmy, elo onim Asante fo mo nim nyansa. And he knows the reasonable ones are the ones who are helping him to develop Ashanti region. And you see people like these. There are thousands of them. I'm telling you, radio so NPP for. So at this point, what are you preaching? We on tesa Napo a we Jimmy obedi Kwame Nkrumah atem efiri se we hu nipa. We no yetitin wo fie ena Osei Asante ni ba. Ena ye nyankasa Asante fo na ebu be se obi pa de pa ba kotokwa ye ndi na bro we ye de hye ye di na teve nye ye. Eni ti na mo bre no. Abrante no so bu adwuma ende enkokon nkete no Ashanti regional minister watata nkofo we amaka chem say NPP 90% omo Jimmy.
Ndi na temo a nipa ba ko pe na mahunu asase so watumi akasa tia po ma akampo
ba say atedie na edo eso na o ka say nanim say apof ye dia o si manim tuntum say apofin o dia say that o kan manim tuntum say apofin dey na apofin e mo ankete bi o mo gu nsu ase
there is some omuye tuntum.
Oh, what I say? Now go you on my just over Jarro, sound to me. No, if film, me am dear, menim tuntum say a poppy. I send a tea at the pussy. On the water. A bit too what? And I've been said the American and if What my evangelist is soon. Nana could do no.
I understand just say 1996, 1992 politics, you know, and away the free and away the away. That be you need to be more intellectually sound. You need to, you see, politics at the said Jehovah Witness Vujuma, a senka. You want sorry baby, I want to gum some kopenipa. One sen can sign na okwa senkano. How are you able to touch people's heart? Because I could just rant here 10 etidiase. Now kuta Bible. Na omunim dia odeba. You need to devise a plan to be able to sit with them. And after that, convince them and see for them to have that will to follow you to church and see to be consistent in coming to that church. It is not just like Wabetina radio so Jimmy etata MOB who say who any can or the why say baby or the why say kusie or the wakasa ni esre dabio. It goes beyond that. It goes beyond a man for some who any can my sentorhe and go for the between one gross sentorhe ye you intermediate dabio. This is serious business. Intimui in go for to a quarter anything was sentorhe. The three was at the garden in Torre at TV so can quasi some ye in Torre wanted to show Bema Tissentorhe. Yeah, they gave it dinner. 2 inch nani abesha yenko baby ya jirem. Tilemo sangra tilemo abi jam for abi je wodi for jom ajantra omunyum ene jantra omutu bisa tilemo na mama say wa na way mama say wa me na mini o mama say wa and me boys because someone trying as over send me mama say wa send this so baby na ehu mama say wa oh mama say wa akwa me there. All right, let me take off business. Mama say wa me na mini o na yesi eyi akwa me so kotina TV so e defend e de ajantra just I don't know oh just say mama team
Timi di me matem se mi ti se kusie mimi ti se kusie ka bi tell me ti wa me hwe no me ka kire
ne na me no se akaetie ne se we de free akaetie ba kusie
afọ sa 4 times into akaetie no ho na kusie no so asa be ka o
abuza boy be se na
me ka hwe no utimi di me matem se mi ti se kusie mimi ti se kusie ka bi tell me ti wa me hwe no me ka kire
ne na me no se akaetie ne se we de free akaetie ba kusie
afọ sa 4 times into akaetie no ho na kusie no so asa be ka o
abuza boy be se na
me ka hwe no utimi di me matem se mi ti se kusie mimi ti se kusie ka bi tell me ti wa me hwe no me ka kire
ne na me no se akaetie ne se we de free akaetie ba kusie
afọ 4 times into akaetie no ho na kusie no so asa be ka o
abuza boy be se na
me ka hwe no utimi di me matem se mi ti se kusie mimi ti se kusie ka bi tell me ti wa me hwe no me ka kire
ne na me no se akaetie ne se we de free akaetie ba kusie
afọ 4 times into akaetie no ho na kusie
Mimi so mu a obanyu se meja ho metuma mo abodam but guy we there your friend is saying what's his name what's this guy's name guy you can say NPP communicator with your friend is saying Paul, right? And your friend saying Paul Yandoh, that's his name, right? Me feeling it rough Monya the national chairman mami Monya the regional your friend saying what's his name? Me dia mesini tise kusie no na enye kusie o mesini tise Gucci wante Paul Yandoh and that's no Paul, right? I find Paul Yandoh. Paul me feel you na dia na also chima bashimi it does andika Paul bashimi Paul man kasa utise kusie me se utise Gucci a designer bag, a designer belt, omo designer intima no na e bia wo te tise kusie me see Paul Yandoh utise Gucci woso dia opere ho na obeke kansama obahwimi Paul minuano Paul Yandoh me ba cho NPP for munya na national chairman mame why I obebo mo wini me feeling the time. I in time before Paul Yandoh emi nua me do no and sa asem na me kan no ebia eye wo ya me te say okay say oh mbani ko school ni ade mesre wa Paul say affect wo mbani ade a we dey fa che me Paul Yandoh NPP Ashanti Regional Communications Director me a wanu ntia me da and in the heat of the conversation no ebia me ka say wuti se Gucci no oti say wuti se kusie ba na enye kusie na me kan me say wuti se Gucci enti me nua no as much as party odi emu no anani omo na no party no magimi but wo de we obi a Ghana fo hu se bi ohun ye nika anka wo Israel anka wo abodua but store but si bia ohun ye nika me do no nti me pese bi no benya problem bia menhwe me na me do in Paul Yandoh Mr. Baby betuma hia have lunch bia no yenhia na nkomo your national chairman ka be adwuma be easy amame nti mo nyina position bia wo pese o ye bia no ma me hu na menya campaign ma wo nko ane nipa ma campaign ama wo MPP mu why wonkwa ne nipa oye campaign na me campaign ama wo MPP Paul Yandoh because me kwaka say wuti se Gucci and also kusie wo de also kusie amagiatum enti so be campaign ama me hu for flyers bre me for message bre me I'll let Ghanaians know why I was a position who winning enti NPP first person Kevin Taylor be campaign ama no me platform so ye MPP ni Paul Yandoh Paul Yandoh ai o kan okre udi no kre kire wo yire o yire wo mfa de chi o ntese Paul ba akono ai kwahwede no ono wagimi na won tan enti Paul Yandoh I really appreciate you man kase kusie me se wuti se Gucci enti ana sometimes tie me unsa brofo no ho eden ma okakra enti ana me kasa tie Kevin Taylor se me ti se Gucci man kase wuti se kusie ana nyoma bi wa munya abotira ansa na maka Paul all right Paul Yandoh no now let's take care of business ye ginam.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And you made a very heavy evening. Very heavy evening. Na enema bebre na kosone. Enema bebre na kosone. Na so many lessons. And na hunu bebre na free election we mo ba. Hey, we are so how. Emo bia nyusu. He omo yusu adampe Paul. Edika ebe mathematics. Ye maths new year. Na afin komo bia wo bia yedi. Enti enipa eto aba no. Candidate 1. Monjo obi anfa ne calculator. Obi anfa ne phone calculator. Good. Candidate 1 in 492. But Safiga no efato. Candidate 2 in 331. Candidate 3 in 105. It will can in Abuma when I say. What can you now when I say? Yes, mathematician, mon comment section my 492 plus 331 plus 101. What can you now when I say? 928. Good. I like it this way because it means that you are all following the conversation. Now, Nipa Odi Kaneno, Nedia 492. It means Nipa Odi Kaneno. The percentage they say about 492 divided by 928, right? It nipa na wodi kaneno now they are times 100. Enya 53.017%. Mon type is our percentage into my nipa 53.02, yes. 53%, yes. The odi kaneno. The author sumienu no ena 331. It answer a similar maths ever ho. 331 331 divided by 928. Meboa. Total na say. Oh, yani mu na adwuma yi munya 10 fastest hand. Good. Aha. Enti who compute on so percentage on so nya say nipa no talk second nya say mon type or comment section in my First one in 53%. Second one in say 35.7%. 35.7%. Yeah, 6-7, yeah, around that figure. And the torso last no when I say the torso last no when I say and on the year 105 divided by 928. 105 divided by 928. Now multiply by 100. The original I say. The original I say. 11.3. 11.3. Mama Musamano. 11.3. And no any Paul a percentage donaya. Could you believe that? No. Could you believe that? Hey. No. 11.3. Damn. No, could you believe that? Paul, and 11.3%, 38% of the no. Hey, Paul, but no radios, no come, or could not someone. Paul, but no radios, no come, or could not someone. Is a Paul back what yato? I can't Paul back, could be over by just so. Me and the man, a campaign manager, or just so man. Paul back for my Paul back. By just so. Me and I'm going to campaign manager, or just so man. My party you who say what is your my poor no. Now you're babunu. No one too hopeful. Obia what this scene and you say. Or say. What yet Dr. Amoakohene dirty was Ashanti region be losing the election. Obia dear Nidia cry me yaye. Honorable Kokofu. One cry the day to election no quite me dirty. Well, lose poto. Bakubi no contest organizer. Well, lose poto. The contest. Well, lose. Candidates no be ni na. And no actual candidates. Omu bi anywhere. Asante region politics no be decent kakra. A be decent kakra. Yes, yeah, people. The style of communication because the na project no. The be mo wasere. But Paul to me got no radio, so some of the cats after Amoakohene no. Maternity, I'm like 30 minutes. Now, Kakre be no woman jokes, no. No, project. So that they will see him as a comedian. And then the Amoakohene koye way, they be our Kagumisoa, and a Paul. The now days out there, come our party, no, and our party for us, we are comedian. Abakwa and Trauma. Our party no now come and no. What dear, share list, no, or more we near no. Share Munina. Obia, none of us saw and no Soviet Amoakohene be a lose election. No. Where chairmanship, Kokofu, what Yatomiana chairman, enemy candidate, Coca, what Nash form. Secretary. The winning secretary, Mutina, and Casagrada. David. Organizer, Mutina, and Casada. David. Obia, or Pigeon, and Amoakohene be our theatre. But Paul, dear no, a drew baby, none pursue lose you. Bedrew baby na, chairman won't to me coin no. And a mamma sympathy, Kakrama and ye fundraising man, at least. And a fundraising like 11% no. Kuonya. 11% to 11.3%. 11.3%. Paul Yandoh. And so we no radio so on the better election strategy. Obekwa campaign no the TV so come Amoakohene wasem. Obi anka obekwa ye Dr. Baumia analysis no what the entire if the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you while you are choosing Ghana card over a year interchanges. Because top to down elections are NPP, you know. It was to give the party ample time to market presidential candidates, you know. But about do time, you know, not the whole NPP machinery about Amoakohene. Dedicated time, platforms be beer about Amoakohene. Then you top to down Amokoye and na Mokoye day. Ubet many communicators, or more lose election. Obetmako Yama what Kokofu, Adia Becham Moko to Abao. Adia Becham Yabato Swaba. Also be chairman of the NPP. Adia Becham Yabato Swaba. What could not insure ever Makot now? Instead of speaking to the minds and the hearts of the people, no, would they be compare certificate between Dr. Amoakohene and the Honorable Kukufu? Any woman a youthful only say Omobama with youth traction and all that. Who does that? Time I be campaign yama wo no. Oma chrem pa. So ko konto ko hunu e de ma wo mo a ye be yi wato nchen. Paul Kafra. But abusafo that notwithstanding, Paul Aboka pa. Edni momo number no. Why kind of momo number no? The momo number no that's so you're active. 0248 0242 number here there. Why kind Paul momo number no bottle comment section or Paul Aboka pa na yes anya to bona there. Ye fam one. Ebio yadamase yede ensem yenu na beto monim. Yede Paul ana cook ana mama ye kuka ana mayi Paul afrim yedamase but if oba na news ade yedamase say enno ye be ya appeal na mo simi send this kama kuka send bi ma Paul kakra yeso ye won ye de ko kan ho ai na kuka tinya be chairman of the NPP in Ashanti region yedamase in the Ashanti region politics better for di no obi anya sumdie de ye na adwuma no obi ye na campaign and all that and I'm sure so mo ba yo mo mesua Paul style ni bi omusua Paul star ni bi de ne said the Paul awie no sa na Timothy so awie be say I elect omu new yi omu ba ne so omu ba be no Amoakohene executive dia ene ye wa ha o ye di kai wo platform yi so ye wo street no so twa wo omu fa Paul ever into omu fo no omu fa no abu kokofu ever into omu fo me say Paul ba kwa tiato aka Paul ba ko me twa no waju so me and the campaign manager, me. No, my sign a lawyer. Me, the campaign manager, sign a lawyer. Me, train or warrior, Johnson. Nachi na go. Nachi na go. So I'll give you an opportunity. We send the part of the because it was an opportunity for NPP. Because I mean, at a point, no project for Yandoh, Paul Juan it was an opportunity for the NPP to make redress and see how they can rebrand Paul and all that. But much I say, oh my head, the battles and who here. At the end of the day, we will dump you like we have dumped Paul. Paul Amantem, where they want me and Snake Eddie Camfo. Jennifer Pound, baby, I would not be now. Jennifer, baby, I would not be now.
Now, you. So, Paul, the enemy knew my Hussein. I heard the enemy knew. Because now comment the new doors to do. What I say?
Is that I don't know Paul, dear Mamma.
Yeah, uncle, and homework, and so I so quite interchangeable. Shut up, baby, man. No, sure, no, my prayer boning, and I know a kind book. No, drain a blood. No, driver for can me, I dare no more shy now, so being accident. No, to now, no, carry moon being accident.
I saw I got your porno.
Uncle, to now, uncle reflected.
Uncle, not so quite interchange, no reflected.
Uncle, to now, no, sure, more being accident.
Hey!
Oh yes, politics is serious business. What you say? It is so shit. Just a point because I heard anymore. Not as what kind of stable. Time alone. Your friend is saying, "Only I came to promote you movies now." That's all. Who anymore? No, I start testing. Who anymore? No, I start testing.
Poyando, something now. Okay, you.
You know, said there is nothing good coming out of that guy. Hey, communication, Papa Bang are poor. We need to be serious in Ashanti region. See, I heard Juma will bow Ashanti region. Say, yeah, Obi or no, so serious. What I say?
It's a carbon monoxide, oxygen, commodity, and money.
Oh, yeah. And as a concept, it was that you drew time as they say, it was a serious business, and you're not on chair. Yeah, wiping any.
Say the way be a Paula coming go radio so mo kasa ma party bi o.
The other kasa kwa baba na tinachiri or kwa na okita eyi. Oh, never kita on suitcases. All never kita suitcases. That's why
Hey, the boy about no.
Every time I ever comedy be a year, every time I'm a Akebeniza more a my events in Libya. No, my invite him because I want dear obey a deal.
Paya no mind say. Jennifer, I remember my raho.
There be a
I'm a raho be a come.
I just a shanty region, dear. Said they no be face you.
Oh, I don't very face. Coca Mummy, I'm a candidate. Me and I'm supported in the buy. And I hire and bedded to work a crack, the buana, what the about. One on Naponti, Tio, Jenny. Naponti, I'm supporting Coco.
Because I was in Napo, but I say, who says, are you a few years nay or say, came as a woman, you can't coffee.
Aha, they said Napona control region.
What I say?
Napo so ba, Napo ba, Mahamani, Lomoteni.
Gaza.
I do what I see.
Napo you back to her 38% and so as
Any of quality, yes, Naponani a kernel. Say, Coca Badia. Uncle Camp Mokam and Cromani Bill.
Yes, said that the name yes, modern. The name Kuruma, sorry, them no mash that's so can near.
Uncle Cassin, Uncle Paul, W.
Yeah, we see at the new yes, with the more room, I first read them.
I said, I'm going to pass our back.
Oh, cousin be uncle, ye be a better, they never come up about no. The Malaco was so dumb. The car by Quena, Bohako was so dumb. Or that was so dumb now because it's so no obey.
NPP party, oh, Jennifer, my mind, we do a jar. What do I say? Why na one way? Osunkwa, any area wonkwa. Why na was an no mamma? Oh, mammy, and you me. Mammy, why do you know what happened? Hello, Salome. Salome to say.
Kachonya miadmo na onswe.
Na miadom. So who dey koso no?
Kacho sisi na me join.
Sisi na wo join it we nante dey koso.
Davio.
And you follow kakra na fi mama wakonya no wa bekasa. Mo join ya che no. Uyi wo hu pia na mama wakonya e wo sa kwan no so. Let me see who I have here. Kabori, who join here na em say network nti mu na mu free so. Once I request mo join your channel so that we can have an opportunity to let you speak on this very important topic. Wow. Jennifer Pong. Say down.
Oh, dog.
Say down. Where the wow na say down I can say fear delegate so.
Oh, dog. Dog, and really a miracle.
Oh.
Ya bakagu.
Ya bakagu. Susro. Ya bakagu. Oh, Debbie. O ma yina film. Party no mo ka tell say. They can say o ma ton Dr. Baomia. Na so Debbie o ma tena radio so me come ko na asem.
Na mani poyano beba studio there.
I was so Omaka Chen is almost pen style of communication. Omaka Chen say we are comedian. Timini na and come kope suit ni tie biabo. No ma be gentle. No ma be brandy. Na me my speeches and this man what they mention as because
so I started lectures well.
Wow, this was yes, I know to me the brandy kakra. And as I said, you tie pa there. And he said they are 11.3% there. Hi. Your corona of grand con come home.
Oh.
They say the akoya rehosem. Say no. Eya rehosem. Eya rehosem. Eya rehosem. Eya rehosem. Adomako samo. Adomako fa ma no men wo phone no my na wo kasa wa chiri. Hello. Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
I wo kasa no wa chiri kakra.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, but are you okay?
Are you okay? Yanko.
Okay, good evening, Honorable.
Good evening.
Wait, Asantemai that was sick. And my power, I am Asantemai.
Piao.
Just that only for a day, cry.
I don't know Paul any year.
We can't have him, no. Not in a pony, no more mobile woman now, oxygen train out to try. It's not my informal call.
O man na oxygen tree ni enfama home.
Daddy, it's the only I will pay friend no more penny. We need to get no more call. I don't want to tear it up. It's a young pay. Only point.
Paul the asem beba odi enkofo anya enfama papa ahome eno nti na mom bia ho pepere ko to abadi ti ano no.
Sa pepe. I also catch it easy. Now this head can question on to abadi bi like
obviously ye go catch easy the enfa oxygen tree no go si won yes and to abadi bi o. Douglas.
Doctor, say
Yeah.
Uni Bibi.
Kasabio.
The funny thing is, I am so Uchiremu recently, only Uko interview been out Chirimu say. In fact, what the devil or the enemy seeks and called the best say,
Sir.
and Uchiremu can say. As a marketing, internet marketing expert, you know, and how far what is meant to be, because honestly, I didn't say I never for fast.
Nana for fast more, baby. Baby. No, oh, boom, you from
or time. And yeah, because Kyei say, me with the main Kyei in a Kyei say plane crash by it. Not sure how this man was talking, and sometimes me think some more can not me hey, how can you be so heartless? Oh, now, Faye, what to me, baby, Cassette? I, Doctor, who you they say, I can say, all the things are not canon.
And some more come on.
I bro. I just think you'll be a corner boot for boot.
Ah,
I don't say what's nothing who say no, baby, or no, who can walk of a hobia. Obama, who fins.
Yes.
Then, I say, Obekase, I and RCC. Park at that home for recreation what they are done a football match. I been now, Doctor Diane, yeah, boss ball, not say. I feel was saying, friends say, overhead bridge, yeah, they are done anyway. I feel Mariano chat video, come on, then proforce, and you said it. What can I say? Ubema na asem na yet to say comedian. It's one way. Na say ya no people one na say what that bet na ho say as a woni ho hwe. One me afani pa so a comedian because was sass your buy no go ba no muku pa.
Yes, I'm attacking me.
Ah. They say obi they say the why Yandoh intino. Obia best the cautious.
Don't worry, I can Paul back. Come Paul back will be back just me man the campaign manager. Paul back will be obey just man the campaign manager. No, yes, our prime minister now.
America go cause the support you go say me so I no man who dey
I think I was so Douglas, but I said bye. Great. And this is you.
Dog.
That is a
Dog.
And then we say NDC for now support for Yandoh. Mo ana woman lose here. Obi a wo NPP election NDC for now support na dey.
There's a dog na asem cry maro ho e dimre ya chese medwen ho a mentiase. Ese ba almost say or pen NDC for asem nti o masiri for. Da na mo ka.
Eti na omo pages me mo nko radio so mo kasa bi o.
Akwanya we so abo aba so the National Youth Conference no.
Oh yeah, na wo.
Idea we be here. Ema ba try.
Oh great.
Ema Ghana man na hu numadia ekoso asante mu na me fa sa akwanya we so abo aba ya de akwanya me shira.
Me dasi pa. I had to take time and then present on clearly what the government's commitments are because abai because e bia obema wadwuma ye obema we teacher ne obema obefa obe recruit we nurse ne obe recruit wa there should be that physical infrastructure ebetima provide this opportunity no because even say you see bia cheap compound ba ko a obenya between 4 to 5 nurses and some on your pharmacy technician by a year 15 cry. That should tell you the real jobs are coming up under a year health infrastructure projects a year DACF no districts no the air bring it up no. These are the conversations we're going to have. Next week I'll be on Ashanti Prime, and then in the course of the week so I'll visit some of the few radio stations. So last week Nami was Fache Anani Akuma. We had a bit of a conversation about a year projects they cost within the region, and I mentioned say about 58 legacy projects about 52 every legacy projects just say the Amoakohene Besha here, the Professor Mills Besha here, the JM1 Besha here, the Nekufuado Besha here, the Yebaya Betru here under any of these governments need na classifying as legacy project. Africa home, say work home. My friend say e-blocks in the home, and then the 111 home. And the legacy projects 58 and just a projects in Kwan. Legacy, the term legacy, no, what it means is what you came to inherit. So all these projects now, your crow from no of Amoakohene the start here. We who need na a kahona presidency and free. Because at the end of the day, overthrow a Jumabi as a government. There is no need having to abandon it and then let it go to rot. And to our Sewa, for instance, a choir no I can't grab near a choir. Nyame Adama, in the course of the week, we will update you on how far we have come. Sewa on soon now, Yame of a Krum, former regional minister, a honey Krum, into the Krum choir and a mayor manano. Owe Bosum train a choir no so a kuntansi consoa, contractor or high or so ye hoeduma. A just so only quaso is seeing in pong, contractor or high or ye hoeduma. Sataso Bridge, we are last week Monday, you be a and Kofu you so I ever started asphalting. Bridge now you're perfectly fixed. Over our town roads, sir. Are you close to 20 kilometers of town roads? Are contracted as so high or ye wejuma. Beyond town roads, no, yeah, another feeder roads. LNK Ashanti region, eastern region in the eastern part of the Ashanti region. LNK Agogo, Mosikrum, and a friend say Mame Krobo. So all these are ongoing. So far as roads are concerned, the baby in Ekoso, baby in Anyam Quantakwa Koso, the quite run about to Santasi run about Koso. So for line interchange. I see what 16 years. President Mahama see young union completely this year. Near handing over account. So I'm interchange. Yeah. 3 of the flyovers are this year, baby now. So basically these are the things we are doing so far as development within the region are concerned. In the coming days, as I've begun, many radio stations, TV stations, we will have all these conversations coming up about get fund projects a bit brave because they say you double track in free story buildings for classroom blocks, dormitories, teachers bungalow. BBI ACBI said the bungalows come and the chip compound cry the nurses quarters a come a teachers are the teachers bungalow come. There were police quarters and the DAC if you see the do now. In the course of the week, so there are a lot of projects here commissioned. So we will have a PowerPoint presentation to show you the visuals, the videos, and all that, so that you would be able to work at that. Paul Eluzu, that is the conversation. Mefa, there's some few people. Then we look at our wounds and how we would be able to heal same. Paul, Kafra. Okay. Let me see who is lucky. Let me pick some few people. Let me listen to you. Hello? Amen, Kofi.
Now, when you say, Tina, Poyando one way, and Oma 20 and 1 you. When you say, also, and you be behind you, and you walk support to Paul, and I'm so anymore. And you be Nana make us say, Minister, who did it? You was school for Frobia, you could your minister, dear, and I say, and Minister, we dear, the whole Gano, the minister say to my power. Regions in Bipa as a minister,
oh, yes, sir. Once the president no said there were appointments, no. Why I say, a mabunu no mudi enti, while you're young, no, you have someone you can relate to. While you're crash or some you have them you can relate to. While pay street in common, so you have a minister you can relate to. Because Ghana no be a can be the man ye Ghana na meboa. And you know, I was saying one day, say president appoint a young person, now me buy and my baby behave to say gray hair person. Then youth not going or the man say. So the fact say what appoint to minister.
Say any tunufo say Serena and Penufo now Kukrafo now ministers no so.
One say ministers yent me finding now so my youth. I was something for a crowd room, them run take a crowd room. Oh, is that Panini here? Panini here, crowd, Wabache.
Oh, that be. Say, oh, you're young. To say, oh, yeah, age.
What did the upper say? The upper say, some Panifon in your morning now. We now can see, I'll catch them here. Once or mono, a be a computer age.
Oh, yeah, no dinkum.
Mummy, who am I?
Me say, oh, yeah, no dinkum. Minister Ben owns our online. You to now come inside our money, and I'm paying for. I
won't just say, I'm once or two. Once it's you. The other show our baby, when you say, you're not a good blend of youth and the elderly. You been, you know, yeah, your horses, you been, you might be better, almost means of communication is very different. I hope you get it. And we are president now. I was so a good blend of it, so that the company falling to me my life will say, Mayeno. Maybe Baba Yena me nemo ena inkitahudi esia. Your platform and now your forum. It me kwa I would present from the perspective.
The way umma obieska unto him obiakra but yenya jekra say ya no kra me ema ho kra say na kra ma ba life so me no wa dinkomo.
Me that say
seriously ema ho
me that say amen.
Obama Santefo. As it says, one NDC aya kono e wa Sante region.
Me that
say you to ni na say obiani e na and I tough party and say I knew him. I say, and this
Omoka no do who say and tough party no Omokra de Omo flag bearer and Anka say some da kokoma you say that it doesn't exist again. Anamboa. It doesn't exist again. And every from the Baumia by Omutimin can end this in tough party no. I got to Omutimin can be you. Omutimin can be you because I don't know. Omachi Guro. Baba, no videos with us. Mr. President.
Yeah, Doctor.
Now better than work center for party.
Doctor, I don't hear sometimes the idea as a I have a but event. Doctor, first of all, friends, let me thank you for giving me the opportunity. But this is my first time to speak to you.
Oh, great.
Yes, yeah, and again, Doctor, I want to thank you for also. I mean, always, inspiring me the youth. We are looking up to you.
You're welcome.
And, yeah, the work that you are doing. Yeah, I mean, you are doing a very, very fantastic job.
Thank you.
And I mean, sometimes even giving us the opportunity to to speak to you alone is enough, and we feel like we are part of the government as well.
Very important.
Yeah, yes. Speaking to you, we feel like we are part of the government. So. I am here to thank you for the good job you're doing, so that we keep on, follow your footsteps, so that
in any case that we also find this opportunity, we can also perform just like exactly you're doing.
Very important.
So, yeah. So thank you very much, Honorable.
Thank you too for joining. Now we have one said you had not go do no. I think said the diakosu yani piti. And as it is, and our holder. So I don't intend say you better on this live. It's all to console my good friend, the Honorable Paul Yandoh, and also to serve or sound and advice to every youth. Say, don't let Obia Nisu say they could destroy Obi. He said they now it can come up Paul and Paul Lion. If and command 2 million ye, and actually cry Paul, and near my Yama Paul ye, say Nakokas or Dania by NDC Crana a ye. But not all shall say no. Now Ohune say, oh, or yeah, you mamma the party into man say Dr. Amoakohene. And so do time and the party ye namano. Ye any better to bois de bois Paul. Ye mra editing to bois de bois Paul, none the party for a yina siakunya. And to be a Paul will be an Paul on shedding. But Onimo wua on shedda. No be a cabia Onimo wua on rena. Which will be ordinary no see Dr. Amoakohene bia Obia losing the election. Honorable Kokofu. Orini ana oluzuye. Boyando Orini ana oluzuye. There was a organizer candidate to be Orini ana oluzuye. I think no youth organizer no person call organizer. Ana debia Amoakohene wakakoluzu. Omo wini ye nyina me hu ni ba ko pempo kra na watimi kotina radio so na TV so say de Napo ede ya Amoakohene na otimi ye bi entina na omo na ye me candidates no. At the end of the day, the politics in the region must be decorous, must be calm, respectful. Kwaye ntetiamu di dia tem and all that, it doesn't help. Abodia keka when we no. And they said Jennifer Paul kan no. Ye be ma Paul Yandoh seat ewo asokwa interchange ho. What you want from money na no home carbon monoxide ni bi. Na o kai books said ye be obetimi dia rebranding. Na o said to me dia ban the next election. Mahmoud Kabore. When are you the last person no bekasa? Fameko.
It's not ready at least. Because Omo Swami won. So Omo share any Swami interchange in be ready.
Yeah.
What days SS Fuya corner artwork now.
Ya ko draw. And the minister me draw for yan non kan wansem.
Ofa go fuso obewini pe obestop wo ma on penti interchange.
Good. What kind?
Ofa na ye interchange session yem nyame kura ma wini. Na nanu mo bosum kura ka ho bi da ofa elusiro. Na kwabna de kwabna abrabo ye afutu ama maburu nyina. Se bi so se bi nya adwa nhwe ya ye do be da ne praye. Ana say do be da ne asoso enru kwa ye bra ye fa onye hwe. Na Amoakohene o pe ke ba ko hin na wo jide eh kwabna kafa ye campaign kura kafa ko ye campaign ene ba 11.3%.
Enu 38%.
Alaji amalia de no kura yesen kwabna de no alaji amalia de no yesen kwabna de 11.3. Ono wo be je say me are very tolerant. Sometimes, no matter how my political opponent, the choice of words, no, yeah, na me pese, me take kusi evi, na me shiano amamano muaya sefata. Na so me tie opening kwamna sinchire workers, me might tie no 5 minutes. The way any attack war, just say, as a witch na ni mukura no kitapia wa.
What be wo me?
Ono what be wo fe. And then,
tell no be na vice me wa. What ya tokra? What the hell? Obia no kasa tia me bia obia losing election dey hwe. Obia
Raphael Patrick. Patrick dey.
Obabuno so.
Ogbas na boni fafire. Alaji Ishak Chebrubi. O ka kire me ninu ko hia oti so ka kire me say, "Don mama is a killer." Don mama, hey! Boss, me catch you up, Alaji Ishak and then Keske, Gabo no, a chair had totally. Indeed, Obi or Cassetia, you know, Cassetia over your mamma. None are not trying this Viano, and they know Sebi, an animal grassy. Ama Obia, who Sebi said, but the Diacoson Yan Pitri. People must learn from this.
Yeah.
Politics must be devoid of attacks.
Yeah, especially personal attacks.
Politics must be issues based. Politics must call development and unity to communities. Now, then we are not successful in our political arena. Now, they say it to be the one was a
once I'm to about this.
Yes, so yeah, Mestre say, when does also support to be so one our contest you, it must be devoid of insults, devoid of name calling.
Yeah.
Because one of Babi and 1 year Jumana Druno. The best we can do for some of you is to give a very healthy competition at constituency level, at regional level, at national level.
Very important.
Then we are a unit to hold and they Sabi, Bamia Pro Yaman original chairman.
Sati honi bi obi oso wo pe o because no on pe na nka ne de na ekoko
ai na nka ne de na one pe that's say be wo de me mo obi edi me bodi a me hype bi mu eto pe o pe ye yi regional chairman mama regional chairman yi no so no ba me vice president on pen no rani me on pen no
ono an obefa no yes because you see so one fan Napo as vice president ready the move break
the demonstration ye be ye okrum han demonstration
na ya ma wo second chance na wo man Napo second chance
then you know say na me
eh
eti edi gire ebe hwe say ebe hwe na ni nyina akoso then ye wie do 2028 ya any candidate ni lomote ni munyanko pono wanda na mokwa no nkroma no akwaba ku no wuye no na ni gabo mu a 38.3 no na ohia no but na mi adum na aba Paul percentage no 11.3 I just say after to afra eti da santima NPP delegate ase say Dr. Frank Amoakohene yi chama ma mo no mo di Osei ayo yo no ma to abapa. We continue to your friends saying, tell them what to do.
Exactly. Napo, there's a Napo.
Yes, you bet you know Munya could see because when you want, if you want to drink a Muslim, once you say, you bet your mind on Mamma partner, so Yasai Yamam said a bear Santibanian doctor. That means our power.
Thank you very much for being part of this conversation. That was for. Yada mu nyina amase se enne minia Paul areho to ye na mama ye nko a ye nsu na yamfa ankokọ ye ho ma wa be kan ye ho se de echechire mu na sa Paul de se de o sha ase no na nko hu ne so wo ko ma ne party na nka the party ahweso de arewo de no enso we ebo adansifo ato na ho abehia da bi me na anka all destroy me no edru time na ne party eto na twene no me na me be save Paul aneza kan 11 you kran ko nya ka 11.3 you ko na dey ko nya enti Paul baby a wo bia enoma me busa ede ama wo na nyina de akwakoda emie obi a na din na ontie
Gotcha. Worry. I did. Worry. Who knew me? Oh, funny me. Cemetery Maria. A pound bay. Oh, Scanny Usika. When they create minister, I mean, a president of Manano, you room we say. You send a Korean man over today. I got go for the Korean mission. On Napo. Say shit. I'll see you. Quadra. A Boca. The turn round. Where's the cup put here? Can't go here. Can't.
That's unfortunate.
It's a shit, Quadra. It's a shit. I'm now president who personalizes it is stop at they are foolish. He be president, I will chop. He be vice president, I will chop. Here they are the chief from the Gramisa. It's a shit. I'll see you. Quadra. A Boca. The turn round. Where's the gun cook here? Can't cook here. Can't. When you read Japan, yes.
Why don't you use the word criminal?
Again, this is 4:30. Okoda, good night. Shama, where you go? Posting or two, no worry, it is a BK. It's the Alpha. Boss, where you go? We did the last. She had the school. Where you go? I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Oh, bro, what you go? Biliwa. When you wine, Abua Poliwa. When you Biliwa. Osongpo, Biliwa. Omachiko. Yenidao. Where you go? My winning down. Omachiko. I want to look at what Kobu. Aheba, Miti Sekusi. Maybe so. Miti Sekusi. Debbie. Kevin tell us Miti Sekusi. Mama says here, I'm in Marco's Goa. There's a Papa Sekusi. I can't Kevin tell her there. What me did me, madam? Some Miti Sekusi. Maybe this is a good year. Can we tell a man to a man? Make us know. There's a lot of Kyei. There's a lot of Kyei. I've done 4 times in Kyei and a good year ago. As I make out, I was a very best year. Aheba, Miti Sekusi. Maybe so. Miti as a good year. Debbie. Kevin tell us Miti Sekusi. I must say, I'm in Marco's Goa. There's a Papa Sekusi. I can't tell her there. What me did me, madam? Some Miti Sekusi. Maybe this is a good year. Can we tell her to a man? Make us know. It is a year when you cook and Marco Gouway. It is German president and Kuko Brine, Ten and Kuko be swatted in Nipa away. And yeah. Just who residents who are regional minister and Kuko. It is a year when you cook and Marco Gouway. It is German president and Kuko Brine, Ten and Kuko be swatted in Nipa away. And yeah. Just who residents who are regional minister and Kuko. And that one regional minister at Toya. It is Sanya, your team minister. What you say? Sanya, team minister. Now, Kukoya Modu my bay. Oyeba, Obienu, you're training one Kuko. And commodity policy, Erbano. There should be a form of training and orientation as to how to handle and cook. Can cook. No, Oyeba, the area of Mukwane say. ube so TV and now ube so WhatsApp go ube te krrrr everyday na me yawu don't mahama everyday buani pa na wa buani pa don't mahama any that's when the everyday me pa we that's what everyday we so TV at the kwasia sam kwasia nyom a just bua ko radio mu ha no why na hwe so wa ha mi pia ko na mi police ya Frank Amoakohene telling you wow kwasia we me am kwasia we all the police ni jira ha no ka tem say me to me 9 ya ka metia we angel o ja je edua esi we supply oxygen no wa hwa me abudua no esi radio mu ha no why na hwe so wa ha dia ya wo mu kwa say ube so TV and now ube so WhatsApp ko ube no yiba dia ya wo mu kwa ne say ube so Amoakohene ne ho ya ne desi akokono kra mfa no me hu minister ope sa awo sa da ade 4 years wo dia wo miensa Amoakohene ne ho ya ne desi akokono kra mfa no the Lord is the rock for me. Your voice in it. He does my needs for me. I put my trust in him. Okay. Oh, I know that Jesus is my Savior. The Lord is the rock for me. He does my needs for me. I put my trust in him. Oh, I know that Jesus is my Savior. Obi a wunyansa adada broni agi ni sika no I don't know about anybody abai usika ira what you say mama boy dey ngina ni what is road fa ne ko abutiri obi asari message say atabi musa say oni tama ntumi anante ache pa ni favorite food ye dey ya ne be pa no pa e bia so that bia no obi say akodom no akohe no a obetimi e dey akodom no jama pepufu Chama pefufu ni license ope prekontre pa. I see. Prekontre. Ope prekontre intintini. Ope intintini. Ikika odi be ko pa dia. Ye prekontre na fa intintini ka ho. So na unya oda ya sibia. Na ekua here. Dia ni nyina peja minim se wo dia enso ade dia. Benku. Bini ba bisa awon pepe ku amede eno ebo stay wa to bear for one time premium o just enu dia stay ni wa anu eboa ma ene bobe akona ni o ene bobe ugba tete one time premium o just here enu no so stay ni wa but any minister ya de bia efi se nyina no yenka na obia no hu se ade a waye no emoa Yedi kai. Paka wuni mu awaga danse. Wuni se ne bia kaka kabisi awaga danse wo. Uko eyi abo no. Uko abo fa le papa wa wo. Wuni se sa bia ne na ne supply oxygen wo area ho nyina. Wuni sa de no. Ene ye budua na to form si China mo. Ewo awaga. Wate mi tire ho shrem. Se daga tini o. Ne tore. Ana dagati foku tanowa. Wate mi triwo shrem. Se dagati ni o ne tore. Ana dagati foku tanowa. Wate mi triwo shrem. Se dagati ni o ne tore. Ana dagati foku tanowa.
Good night, everyone.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.